aspirants, we are very happy to inform all of you that the much awaited 60 days power packed comprehensive program for Prelims 2020, that is Mission Prelims, is going to commence from 20 January 2020. It fills our hearts with extreme ecstasy that last year in a batch of 112 aspirants, 46 could crack Prelims 2019 and many of them for the first time. So what is new this year? Let's hear it from our director.
Hello everyone. The preliminary examination is just around the corner, and as we approach the business end for this examination, it becomes very critical for us to devise a foolproof strategy to crack the prelims examination. Now see friends, nearly 8 out of 10 aspirants do not qualify the prelims examination, and there are 3 prime reasons for failure. First is they concentrate a lot on the traditional section, thereby they leave the current portions. Second is they make their preparation current heavy and thereby leave the traditional section, especially the conceptual understanding. And a new reason, which is now very common, is a kind of indifference towards CSAT. Hence, anyone who is planning to appear for UPSC Prelims 2020 must cover all these areas. It means there should be a thorough preparation of the GS traditional section, the CSAT section, as well as the current affairs. And you see that if you go by the pattern of the examination for the last 2 to 3 years, you would see that UPSC is not restricting itself to only that year's or the previous 12 months current affairs, but it is also asking questions much beyond that. It means maybe 1.5 years of current affairs, thorough, good preparation would be enough. As far as GS is concerned, there should be more elaborated preparation rather than deep preparation. What aspirants commit mistake is they go too deep into a topic, and by going so they miss most of the topics, especially the topics that are there in the fringes of the syllabus, and this is where they lose the entire plot. And therefore it becomes very important for us to cover every nook and corner of the syllabus. You see, what we are planning here at Eden IAS is we will have a 60-day bursting session exclusively dedicated for prelims. The entire day would be divided into different sessions. We will first do the traditional part, then we'll do the current affairs, and it would be intervened by a test, a sectional test that would cover the GS portions that we have done in the class, as well as the current affairs portions that we have done in the class. Obviously, at times with 1 or 2 surprises, because you know unpredictability is something that can be predicted about UPSC, and therefore we must not lose that plot. We must have this unpredictability factor also incorporated in our preparation. And once we are done with the day, and as we proceed, by the weekend we will have a complete mock test for both the GS as well as the CSAT. It is beneficial for those who are appearing for the first time. It is also beneficial for those who find the pre-stage the toughest, because there are many students who are well prepared with the mains examination, but they are not cracking the preliminary examination. And the reason is because they do not prepare well before time. As the calendar ticks over, the alarm bells will ring, and therefore it is extremely important for us that we are well ahead of our competitors to get that extra edge. The program, I think, as we have planned here, it would conclude by the first week of April, and you will get 55-60 odd days on your own for self-preparation, which is very, very critical for success. So friends, I hope to see you all associated with the Eden IAS, and I hope that you will make it a success story this year. So all the best from my side. Thank you.
So friends, let me brief this program for you. This is a 60 days program for Prelims 2020, which has 3 sections, which are classes, test and special sessions. Classes are of general studies, CSAT and current affair. Test on a daily basis, they are daily sectional test. On weekly basis, they are weekly mock test for GS and CSAT. And the most important special sessions on economic survey, union budget, map marking classes and previous year question paper based tests. So friends, be ready for this program and be ready to crack Prelims 2020. For more details, you can contact us or you can visit our website www.edenias.com. Thank you.